What is up, guys? First by Bassin here, back at you another video. Back here out on this little creek here. I'm out here with John, and we just got here, set everything down. John, first cast with a nice bass right there. So guys, little dink right there on the Senko. Dude, I think he took my worm for real. Alright guys, third fish in about 5 minutes here. It's a bit bigger than the other one, not as big as John's catch, but it's right there at a ½ pound. Overall, good fish. They're hitting and fighting pretty hard. You know, we're just out here in this little creek. So, here we go. Here's John, almost hooked up with his would have been third fish, but due to he has lost a couple.
He was on the bank too.
Alright guys, so back to another fish. So here we go. Had one a second ago on the spot, but I just lost it. Came unhooked, along with the Senko that came out. But there we go, fish. Ooh. Fish number 3 for me. There we go. They got good color. They're hitting well and fighting well, even though they're small. So. All right, guys, just here to show you kind of what we're fishing. The terrain, or what got here. Not very wide, but it goes down a little bit. And then back here we have some logs. The one I just caught, pitched it by the log down here. It's mud. Here we go. Boat.
Yeah.
Bring it over here.
Here's Nate's butt.
Alright, what's up, guys? Just caught this bass. It's a little dirty, but on a squarebill xcite crankbait in like a little perch color. Right here, let me wash it off. Probably the biggest one of the day so far, besides John's. Caught pretty nice. Let's get the release on this. There he goes.
Oh, it's raining hard.
Alright, what's up, guys? So it started raining, so we had to pack it up and get out of there. Overall, we caught about 5 bass. It was a good day. At first, we were fishing with Senko through a weightless rig, and John was actually fishing a weighted tube. And then at the end there, that last bass, I put on a little xcite squarebill crankbait in a perch color, and that's what we caught the biggest one on. So we'll definitely be there in the future. And so thank you guys for watching, and enjoy this time lapse.